Hi, and welcome to XL RevShare. You have found the most innovative new system on the internet. We have combined the best of online search, music, entertainment, online social networks, and online communication tools into one amazing system. Listen to millions of songs, videos, and radio stations from around the world. Create playlists, send music and videos to friends, and create networks with the click of a button. Using this system is easy and fun. First thing you need to do is download the media player. Don't worry, there's no spyware, adware, or hidden doomsday program waiting to take over your computer. We simply need you to provide us your email address so we can assign a personal player to you. We also need you to check off on our licensing agreement so our lawyer can sleep at night. Everything is free, there is no obligation, and we are not selling your information to anyone. No catch, no strings attached. Once you download the player, you can create your own playlists, set defaults, send music and videos to friends, and socialize with other users online. So how does it work? Let's start with the music feature first. You now have access to millions of full-length songs. Simply click on the Music tab above and enter your favorite band, artist, or song. Your search results will show up here. Now choose one that sounds good and
look at this photograph. Every time I do, it makes me laugh.
You can save this song to your favorites simply by clicking on the heart located at the right of the search title. Once you have selected your favorites, you can create a playlist and enjoy your music whenever you want. Simply click on the My Playlist tab and hit play, and your playlist will begin. Hit the Random tab to mix things up. Next, try the video feature. You will be able to view hundreds of thousands of videos from the entire internet. Simply click on the Video tab above and enter your favorite topic, person, place, or thing. For example, I'll search surfing dogs. Your search results will show up here. Now choose one that looks good and
if everybody had an ocean across the USA.
click on the Menu tab and select Full Screen if you want a larger viewing area. You can save this video to your favorites simply by clicking on the heart located at the right of the search title. You can also send videos to friends by clicking on the Menu tab and selecting Send to Friends. It's so easy. If you are a fan of internet radio, you will love the radio feature. You now have access to more radio stations around the world than XM Radio and Sirius combined. Simply click on the Radio tab above and search by state, country, genre, or from our list of favorites. Your search results will show up here. Now choose one that looks good and
on the line, actor Kevin Bacon. Kevin, what's up? You're on there, John Jane Rich.
Yeah, he's not there yet.
Good, super.
Keep going. Keep introducing him.
Is there a Kevin Bacon montage? I'm looking.
Once you select the station you want, it will open in another window and will stream right from your desktop. You can only enjoy this feature after you download the player. You can save this radio station to your favorites simply by clicking on the heart located at the right of the search title. Now anytime you want to listen to that radio station, simply go to your radio favorites and select it. The final feature allows you to play thousands of flash-based games on your desktop. This feature works much like the others. You can either search for a specific game, or you can simply select a game category and take your pick. This feature also opens in a separate window on your desktop and is only available after you download your player. We hope you will enjoy your new system, and we encourage you to share it with all of your friends and family.